Okay, this is day 2 of my silk press. So it was raining today, so and it's like very frizzy because it get wet a little bit. So I'm thinking I might have to do a different style with it for tomorrow. So yeah, I have these that I had like a while ago. So I'm thinking I'm going to maybe like twist it, use the Shea Moisture mousse that I had, and then just do a different style. It's like I choose like a really bad week to have my silk press because it's gonna be raining all week this week. But it's okay. It's alright. I will put this in my Amazon storefront for anybody who's interested. So I think I got it on Amazon. I have my new brush here, my new best friend. Going to bed and we shall see what it looks like tomorrow. Hopefully good. Alright, see you tomorrow. Vaseline after that. The weather's strong. Okay, this is the look. So I hope you all I like this. It has like curls and it has, I will do it again because I like the curls. It's not too much. I think it turned out really good. The weather is still raining out today, unfortunately, but I think this will hold a little bit better. But yeah, I hope you all are having a really great holiday season. Have fun with your hair, take care of your hair. You can do your hair. If I can do it for my hair, you can do it. You are capable of taking care of your hair, and I am so happy with the result. This is going to be my style. I try different style with my silk press for the next 2 weeks, and I hope you do the same. Try different things. But yeah, and let me go finish getting ready. Alright, I am ready to go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting this channel. I wish you a happy holiday, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.